All right, guys, what is up? This is Crow number 76. So I just picked these up today and I want to test out the voice isolation where you can't hear the background, and you could actually use these as your mics for your phone when you're vlogging and all that good stuff instead of using like a DJI mic or a Rode mic, right? So let's test out the quality with sound in the back without the isolation, and then I'll turn it on. Okay. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, what is up? So today I'm testing out these new AirPods Pro 3. Um, so this is without the voice isolation, adaptive voice isolation, something like that. So you could hear my TV in the background, right? So let me turn it on and see if you hear any difference. Okay. Okay, so I'm back. It is on now, and what do you think? Can you barely hear it, or you could hear it? Let me know what you guys think about it. I think this is pretty cool. I'll be making more videos where I'm away from my phone and using the AirPods and stuff as a mic. This is pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.